I'm James Moore with Ideal Calibrations, and today we're going to be looking at our RKI compatible calibration gas cylinders. These calibration gas cylinders are compatible with all of the GX series gas detectors, including the 2009, the 2012, the 6000, and the 3R and 3R Pro, as well as any later models that you might have. If you're calibrating a diffusion monitor, like the 2009, you'll need a fixed flow 0.5 liter per minute calibration gas regulator to go with it. And if you're calibrating a pumped model like the GX 2012, you will need a demand flow regulator. These cylinders come in three different sizes: a 34 liter cylinder that will get you about 30 calibrations, a 58 liter cylinder that'll get you about 50 calibrations, and a 116 liter cylinder that'll get you about 100 calibrations. On the front, you can see the concentration for this calibration gas: 25 parts per million hydrogen sulfide, 50 parts per million carbon monoxide, 50% LEL methane, 12% oxygen with a nitrogen balance. On the right side of the cylinder, you can see the part number, lot, and the most important thing being the expiration date on the cylinder. If you pass the expiration date, it's time to get a new cylinder of gas. These cylinders all come with a C10 fitting that is compatible with all of our calibration gas regulators seen here. If you have any problems during calibration, you can always give us a call and we'll help you out over the phone to complete your calibration process. Thanks, and stay safe out there.